Good morning. How are we?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good. So I just want to greet you all. Good morning, Aiden, Allison P, Allie M, Annalena, Angelina, Blessing, Carlos, Demelisa, Daniela, Ilani, Esther, Hector, Juan, Jazzy, Jasmine Lopez, Jesus, Kyasia, Kira, Kamora, Christian Elise, Nikel, Yair. Good morning. Today it's Thursday. Good morning. Now we're done. Now mute yourself. Everyone mute themselves. I'm gonna do it for you. Let me continue now. Okay. Only Blessing stays off mute. We know why. All right. So good morning. Today it's Thursday, April 23rd. I know the packet says April 24th. It was a mistake. Today we're going to be practicing the mean, which is the average. So we're going to be practicing the mode, which is the most common number. We're going to be practicing how to find the range, which is the highest number from the lowest number. And we're going to be practicing the median, which is the middle number. All right, so my first reader to come off today is going to be Mr. Hector Rodriguez. Let me just show you the packet that we're on first, okay? So we are on the packet that looks like mine. Yes, it says Thursday, April 23rd. You can change that to a 23. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let me go grab a pencil out of my little kit. Okay, so again, there is a little mistake with the date. There were two 24s. Just change that to a 23 on your packet. Change the top and bottom to a 23, and it's going to look like mine now, okay? So I changed my 24 to a 23, okay? At the top, ooh, I'm frozen. At the top, again, I'm frozen. Why, I don't know. Okay, at the top, we changed to 23, and at the bottom, we changed it to 23. All right, we're going to go to page 3. Excuse me. You can change it at your own leisure. Get on mute, please. Only Hector Juan is off mute right now. So again, I'm going to be muting you if you're not muted. I need to get started. Hold on a minute. Okay. Hector Juan. Okay, good morning. Hector, we're on page 3. It looks like mine, okay? Looks like this, the matching. Okay? We're on the matching. You're going to do the first problem for us, Hector. So, number 1, Hector, which definition is the mean, Hector?
Hold on, I don't have the packet.
Okay, we're gonna come back then to you, I guess. I'll pick on somebody else. And I know all of you have it, so I'm gonna pick Kyasia. Kyasia, where'd she go?
Right here.
Hi. All right, good morning. All right, number 1, the mean. What's another word for the mean? Starts with an A.
The average.
The average. So which letter will you write? Read us the letter. Which is mean? You said average. Which one has average in it?
Divide the sum by its number in the set.
Okay, so what letter is it? A, B, C, or D? D, right? Number 1 is D. The mean is the average. You add them up and divide because we're practicing that today. Good job, Kyasia. Jazzy, come off mute. You're doing number 2. Answer my question first. What's another word for median?
Another word for median is like the number that shows up the most.
That's the mode. The median is the number that's in the middle, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So which choice says like something with a number in the middle and we put it from least to greatest? Which letter do we write?
A.
A. Number 2 is A. Thank you. All right. Jesus, off mute. You're up. Looks like you're occupied, Jesus. Jesus, unmute yourself. Good morning. Okay. We'll come back to you. I don't know what's going on, Jesus. Are you ready to do it? Okay. Unmute yourself. Okay. Good morning. Number 3, mode. What is the mode?
Where are we?
Page 3.
Page 3.
Yes, there's a matching. The mode. Number 3.
Oh, no. Mode, D. That's what it chose.
D?
I don't
Let's
know. Oh, God, that's why.
All right, listen, the mode is the number that shows up the most.
Oh.
Which one says the number that shows up the most? Which letter says the number that shows up the most? People are helping you in the chat box if you need help. Look at what they wrote. Jesus.
He left the chat.
Okay, help him out, Jasmine.
It's B.
B, the number that shows up the most or the number that shows up the most in a data set is called the common number, is the mode. And Jasmine, go back on mute. Demi, actually, Carlos. Good morning, Carlos. Turn your thing off mute. Get the thing off mute. Carlos, unmute your mic. Thank you. Now turn your camera on so we can see your face, bud. There he is. Hello, Carlos. Good morning. Buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Bien?
Good.
Bien? Okay. Número 4, por favor. Range.
Y C.
Lea la respuesta, por favor. Is? Read it.
Is the greatest
Number.
subtractor to track from the list.
Good. So the range, guys, is the highest, greatest, or maximum number subtracted from the least, lowest, or minimum number. Thank you, Carlos, for joining. You're going to come to my class every day at 8, okay? All right, Carlos.
Okay.
All right. So now let me just recap those choices. I also made some notes here. You might want to write down that the mean is the average. To find the average, we add and divide, which is letter D. To find the median, it's the middle number. L means least, arrow greatest. So least to greatest is how you order the numbers, which is A. The mode is the number that shows up the most, which was B. I wrote my own little cheat sheet here, and then I found the answers. Range, which was the highest from the lowest. Okay, there is a test on this tomorrow. So we will have class tomorrow to review a few problems, and then you will take the test. Hello, Anaya. Good morning. Here we go. All right, here we go. I'm going to take it now. This was page 3, guys. D, A, B, C. Okay, and if you want to write that down, I'm going to leave this up for another 15 seconds. For those that just joined, they could write this down. If you're done, you could try page 4 on your own. Okay, because we're reviewing today. Okay, so again, if you just came on late, I just want to repeat real quick. Every Friday, you're going to scan me and only me, the Genius Scan, because I'm the one doing your live classes. So on Friday, I need all the work from the week. So tomorrow, you're going to scan me everything from this week in Genius Scan, and I put it in your folder on Google Drive. And if it's all correct, you get a 100. It's an easy 100 every day. All right, let's do page 4 now. Annalena, good morning. Annalena. Annalena? Okay. Annalena? All right, we're going to call on Allie then. Allie M. Allie M, can you hear me? Allie M? Esther, help us out. Page 4, sweetheart. And now just show your face, please. Thank you, Esther. Thanks. Hey, Esther. We're on page 4, sweetheart. Part A. Can you read us the problem?
The mean and the median of a data set may be equal, very close to each other, or very different from each other. Find the data for data sets where the mean and median differ greatly. One like describes the data set is better than the other. The monthly earnings of several teenagers: 4,200, 320, 275, 250, 750, 350, and 310.
Okay, so guys, there is one mistake. It says that there are 4 it says that the several teenagers are 4 space 200. Cross the 4 off like me. I'm going to show you. You don't need to do that. So what you're going to do is there's a typo. Just cross that 4 off. Okay, so it should read
Just the dollar
200.
sign.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a dollar sign. That 4 is a dollar sign. I didn't catch my mistake. All right. So Esther, can you just tell us how do we find the mean? What are the 2 steps?
To find the mean, you add the sum. You add the numbers up, and the sum you divide it by the number by yeah.
Okay, so Esther, when we add, and the rest of you guys are doing this, when you add 200, you guys are going to add these numbers, right? On your paper, under find the mean, under A. Put 200 plus 320, you can use a calculator, plus 275, plus 250, plus 750, plus 350, plus 310. I need the sum to be answered in the chat box. The only person that has permission to call out is Esther. I need the sum of page 4, part A. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm going to type it. The sum of 200 plus 320 plus 275. Oops. This is, you guys are finding the sum. Remember, if you're not doing your exit tickets, you need to do them every day because by 5 o'clock, if you don't have them, you're going to be considered missing.
It's 2,455.
So you should have got 2,455. Now, Esther, how many scores are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so you're going to take 2,455 and the slash means division. You're going to divide by 7.
It's 350.7.
350.7. Esther, thank you. Can you try to show your work? Let's see if it's clear today.
What is it?
Let's see. Let me see. All right, that's perfect. Stay just like that. So what I'm going to point out what Esther did, I need you to do. Esther wrote all the numbers that she added to find the sum. You need to do that. That's showing your work. You don't physically have to do it by hand. You can use a calculator. This is 7th grade math now. The end of 6th grade, beginning of 7th. Wait, hold it back up. Then she divided by 7. 350.7. Okay, good job, Esther. So I'm going to show it again. Thanks, Esther. All right, so this is the top part. 350.7 is what I got for the mean, just like Esther. Okay, so if you got that, give yourself a check mark on the page. You're going to self-check your work.
What?
Now, we're going to do problem B. Since Esther, I'm going to have you, okay. So Jazzy, you can do B now. Thanks, Esther. Where's Jazzy at?
Right here.
Hi, Jazzy. Hi, sweetie. Can you read us part B, sweetie?
Write the data values in order from least to greatest and then find the median.
Okay. So, all right, we're going to do them from least to greatest. So Jazzy, order these numbers from part A in least to greatest for us. Tell us what to write.
200, 250, 275, 310, 320, 350, and 750.
So again, to find the median, you list the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay? So Jazzy said 200, 250, 275, 310, 320, 350, 750. Okay, Jazzy, tell us what to do next and then try to show your work, please.
Then you have to give them pairs. So 200 goes with 750, 250 with 350, 275 with 320, and that gives you 310 left, which is your median.
And Jazzy, let me ask you something. Is this an even number or an odd number?
Odd.
Odd. So when there's an odd number, how many medians is there? 1 or 2? You just did it.
1.
1. When there's an even number, there's 2, right? You add the 2 numbers
Yeah.
and divide by 2. Okay. Remember that because you could see something like that tomorrow on your assessment on Google Classroom, okay? Good job, Jazzy. I like how you asked politely in the chat box to read. All right, Jazzy. Excellent. You look nice and cozy today. Here's what Jazzy said. Okay, we're not going to type every single thing in the chat box. Students will do it, and then I'll show the work after they present theirs. Okay, so again, median is least to greatest. I ordered the numbers from least to greatest. She said 200 is paired with 750, 250 is paired with 350, 275 is paired with 320, and your middle number is 310 because there were 3 numbers on the left and there were 3 numbers on the right. Okay, Esther, you could be my scribe. You can type the responses in the box for me. So mean 350.7 and the median was 310. Thanks, Esther. There we go. All right, let's move on now to page 5 now. Danielle is going to read this problem. It just happens to have your name in it. I just randomly picked you. Okay, if you can't show yourself, that's okay. Jazzy, what's going on? Let's try. Okay, Daniela, I know you can't show your face, but can you unmute yourself and read the problem? Daniela? So we're on page 5 now. Okay, I just showed you page 4. I don't know what's going on. I guess Daniela can't really hear me that well. All right, so let's pick this person. Ilani, good morning. You're up. Lacey, stop it. Ilani,
Good morning.
hi, good morning. Can you show your face now, love?
Yes.
Because I don't know. I guess Daniela was having technical difficulties. All right. You're going to read for us page 5, problem 3. Okay, we're on page 5, problem 3.
Over 6 days, Daniela jogged 6.5 miles, 5 miles, 3 miles, 2 miles, and 3.5 miles and 4 miles. What is the mean distance that Daniela jogged?
So how do we find the mean, Ilani? What do we do? 2 steps.
I'm trying to remember.
You add up the numbers, and then what do you do after you get the sum? Do you remember? We just did it.
You have to divide it.
Good. Okay. Yes. Now here's the problem, Ilani. A lot of students always forget this part. You notice that 6.5 has a decimal, right?
Yeah.
But 5 doesn't. How do I make 5 a decimal? What do I have to do? How do I make the 5 look like the 6.5? I have to add a decimal and a
0.
Good. Okay. All right. So I'm going to type that in the chat box. So Ilani, we have 6.5, right? We're going to add 5.0, line up the decimal points because we need to have a decimal, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
3.0 plus 2.0 plus 3.5 plus 4. Now, we have to make all the numbers have a decimal. So by making it to be a decimal, you have to add a decimal point and a 0 to have the same placeholders. Every number now has a decimal with 1 placeholder, yes?
Yes.
So now add up all the numbers for me. So what's 5 plus 5?
5 plus 5 is 10.
Put down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 6.
7.
7 plus 5.
12.
You got this. 12 plus 3. You got this.
15.
Good job. 15 plus 2.
17.
Good. 17 plus 3. Stop it, Lacey. Lacey's getting antsy. 17 plus 3.
19.
Oh, 17 plus 3. One more.
20.
20 and 20 plus 4.
24.
Okay, so the sum is 24, Ilani, and everybody else on the call. So if I added this up, I got 24. How many numbers did I just add?
6.
So I divide that by 6. 24 divided by 6 is? That's easy.
Oh, that's 4.
Right, so the mean is what?
The mean is 4.
Perfect. Write that down on your paper. Try to show your work, please.
All right.
You're doing a really good job. All of you in this call are doing a very good job.
I kind of like stacked them all together.
As long as you line them up, I'm cool. Now, where's the division part? Can you show me 6 as the outside the house and 24 inside the house? And then can you put 4 as the quotient on the top for me? And then show your work and you're done for that question.
Okay.
If you guys finish page 5, you silently go to page 6 on your own. I'm going to have you move on once you're done. I'm not going to hold you back. Hey, stop it. Sorry, guys. He's barking. Perfect. No, you have to have a 6 where the 4 is, put a 6.
Oh.
Where the 4 is, put a 6. And then put a 4 on the top as your quotient, right? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So again, it's going to look like this. And no, we're only on page 5. So we have 24 divided by 6, we get 4.0. Okay. All you had to do is add them up. You get 24. There are 6 scores. I divide by 6 and I get 4. Okay, I'm going to move on. If you guys are done, I'm going to give everyone another 30 seconds. Please try page 6 on your own. Everyone's on mute. Everyone's going to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range of page 6 on their own. I'm giving you 5 minutes to get the mean, the median, the mode, and the range on page 6. That one you're going to try silently at a level 0 now. Okay, so this is the next expectation. What you're going to do is divide your paper into 4 parts: mean, median, mode, and range. Everyone going to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. I'm putting a timer on. Once you have it, type it in the chat box. All right. I'm putting the timer on now. Yes, that was page 5. Jesus, I'm going to show it again. This is page 5, Jesus. Page 5. Stop it, Lacey Marie.
I'm looking on, not to interrupt, but all my stuff is when you're on page 5, which was finding the mean, it says page 4 on mine.
Okay, just
5,
find.
6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, Jesus. Whatever page this is, just find it on your paper, okay?
Okay.
All right. Maybe it is a page behind. Oh, right, because mine had the do now, yours didn't. All right, just find this practice problem, okay? All right. Now we're going to move on now. So everyone's now at a level 0. And I'm going to see what's going on here. I'm giving you guys, you got 4 more minutes to find the mean, the mode, and the range. And then we're going to meet back. I'm going to type in the chat box. Okay, my phone will buzz when time is up. So we are now on, I'm going to write down the practice problem because your pages might be different. Practice problem number 4 is what you're working on. You're finding the mean, the median, the mode, and range. Okay. Whoever that is, you need to mute yourself. I got it. I got you. I still hear somebody off of mute. Okay. Lacey, stop. Stop. My students have to do their work now. God. I hear noise. I shouldn't hear any music. Stop it. Stop it. You have 3 minutes.
Just want to be free.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. You should not be off of mute yet. I didn't say come off yet. I hear noises. I'm confused why people are off mute. Let's see what we got going on. Let me check out in the chat box. Okay, I got 2 people that got the mode. That's the same number. You guys have 2 minutes. See what you can do. Ooh, Kayeja, go back and check your mean. Esther is correct with the mean. Jazzy, go back and check the math. You made a mistake. Hector, your range is correct. Esther, you got it correct. Esther got the mean. The median is correct, Esther. Jazzy. Jazzy, retype the mean, please. And go back and check your math because you made a calculation. There you go, Jazzy. Now you're right. Good job, Esther. Good job, Jazzy, so far. Esther, yes. Juan. Hector, yes. I'm waiting for, there's about 26 people today. Daniela. Oh, I like what you did. 508.16. That's perfect. Oh, okay. Hector, yes, you're correct. Yair, you're correct. Move on to the next one. You got another minute to try to figure it out. Let's see what we got. Then I'm going to call 4 people to share their answer real quick to move on. Okay. There'll be 1 page in here. Page 12 we are not doing. Page 12 is the challenge. That is for you to try on your own. I will do every page except that page. All right, we got another 30 seconds to see what we're able to come up with. Good job, Kira. Kamora, your mean is wrong. Kira, your mean is correct. No, Kira, sorry. 508 is correct, but the decimal is wrong. My mistake. I thought it said a 1 there. Go back and check the math, sweetheart. If you guys use a calculator, you should get it. I forgot how to do the median. To do the median, you list the numbers in order from least to greatest. And then you find the number in the middle. We did that lesson on Tuesday and yesterday. All right, that means time is up now. So I am going to call. So we're going to start with the mean. So Chris Danielise, were you able to find the mean? Chris?
Yeah.
Hi. Can you show your face, please? So you can
Okay.
see you?
Sorry.
That's okay, you didn't know. Okay, were you able to find the mean?
Yes. I got.
Tell us what the sum was first. We'll start there.
So the sum was 3,049. And so when I divided that by 6, I got 508.1, and then a lot of repeated 6s, and then
Yep, all you just need to go is 1 place after the decimal for today. 508.1
Okay.
is perfect. Okay, good job. Excellent.
Okay.
All right. The mode. Yair, come off mute, sir, please. Hello, Yair. Now show your handsome face.
Hello.
All right. Hello. Okay, were you able to do the mode?
Yep.
Okay, can you explain what it is and why?
I did. My answer was 500.
Okay, why? I'm confused. Can you tell us? How'd you get
Wait,
that? You're right. Can you explain why?
Because 500 appears 2 times.
Perfect. I mean, you said it's, I don't know how much clearer you could have made it. You made it perfect. All right. Leanne, you're up next. Off mute, please. Leanne. And show your face, please. All right. Hey, good morning. Were you able to find the median?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us what you did and how you got that answer, please?
Well, I put all the numbers from least to greatest, and then the only 2 numbers in, like, 500 and 519, 500 and 513, and the only 2 numbers in the middle were 508 and 509. So I added them, and I got 1,017.
Mm-hmm.
And I divided it by 2,
What'd you get?
and I got
What'd you get? What'd you get? What was the answer? I can't hear you. Are you still working on it?
Wait. I'm almost done.
Oh, okay, so working on it. That's why. I'm like, wait, hold on.
Okay, wait. It's 508.5.
508.5. Excellent. All right, thank you so much. All right, let's hear from Miss Anaya Bowman. Miss Anaya, hello. Off mute you go. You're not getting let off the hook. Good morning. I haven't seen you in a long time. So happy to see you on here. Anaya, you're going to come every day at 8 o'clock, okay?
Okay,
All right.
I'll try.
Were you able to get the range, kiddo?
Yeah,
What'd you get? And tell us what you did.
I got 19.
How? What'd you do?
I took the highest number and subtracted from the lowest number.
Okay, what are the numbers that you subtracted? Because I don't know. Tell everybody. What did you do?
519 take away 500.
Okay. And that gives you what?
19.
Okay, good. Anyone have any questions on any of this? Questions, comments, concerns? We're good? All right, I'm going to show the work. Thank you, Anaya. Love to see your face. All right, so here's what you should have had on practice problem 4 as it was modeled. Chris Danielis added them up, divided 508.1. Yair said the mode was 500. The median, I think, was done by, forgot who did that one. I know the range was Leanne. Oh, no, this one was Anaya, and this was Leanne. Okay? So you're going to go now to the next page, practice problem 5. You're going to do that on your own. Mean, median, mode, and range. So please start practice problem 5 now. I'm giving you guys 4 minutes now. There might not be a mode in some of these problems. Or sometimes if there's 2 modes, it's called bimodal, which means 2. Okay? So sometimes data has no mode, 1 mode, or 2 modes. 2 modes is bimodal. I'm giving you 4 minutes to try the next page on your own. Actually, I'm going to help you on that one, just to kind of speed up time, because it is already 8:38. Okay. All right, so I'm going to call off of mute. Miss Annalena. Oh, wait, she did text me something. Oh, yes, her mic doesn't work. All right, Allison M. Allison P., come off mute. Good morning. Turn your camera on, please. All right. Please read me practice problem 5, whatever page that is for you. Mine is page 8. Yours is probably mine's page 7. Yours is probably page 6, right? Allie? Okay. Can you read us the problem? And then you're going to pick one to do. Go ahead.
The ages of the volunteers at a local food bank are shown below. 16, 22, 23, 30, 31, 34, 41, 44, 48. What is the mode, median, mode, and the range of this set of data? Show all work here.
Okay. So which central tendency would you like to do? What would you like to find first? You're going to divide your paper into 4 parts first. Hold on. Let's get you set up, and then you can pick what you want to do. Okay, so whatever practice problem number 5 is, you're going to divide your paper into 4 parts: mean, median, mode, and range. Again, divide it: mean, median, mode, and range. Okay?
Okay.
So I don't care. Tell me which one you want to do. You pick. You're in charge.
Mode.
Mode. Mode. Is there a mode in there? Is there a mode?
No.
No mode. So put no mode. Okay? I want you to do another one. Pick one more to do, because I just missed you that much.
Range.
Okay, how do we find the range?
We have to subtract the biggest number by the smallest number.
Okay, the highest from the lowest. So tell us what that is. What's the highest?
48 take away 16
Good.
is 32.
Excellent. You want to keep going because so far you got 2 for 2. You want to try 4 for 4? Yeah. 4 for 4. You want to keep going?
Yeah.
I do it, Allison. Okay, you want to do the mean next or the median? Which one?
Mean.
Okay. How do we find the mean? We add them up.
We have to add all of the numbers and then divide it by how many numbers there are.
Good. So use your calculator. What's 16 plus 22 plus 23 plus 30 plus 31 plus 34 plus 41 plus 44 plus 48.
I got 689.
What? There's no way. I'll tell you why. 16 plus 22 plus 23, check your numbers again, plus 30 plus 31 plus 34 plus 41 plus 44 plus 48 is what number? 280 what? You see in the chat box?
289.
There you go. 289. How many scores are there, Allison?
9.
9. So what's 289 divided by 9? Use your calculator. Hmm?
32.1.
That's it. All I do is 32.1. Perfect. Okay, now the median. Help me do the median. How do I put the numbers from what to what? Least to?
Least to greatest.
Good. So let's organize it. They're actually already organized for you in order. 16, just rewrite the numbers in the little brackets. 16, 22, 23, 30, 31, 34, 41, 44, 48. You're rewriting the numbers in the bracket for the median because they're already in order. Now, whenever you're ready, Allison, tell me what we're going to cross off. 16 is paired with what? Allison, you're doing really good. 16 and 40 what?
And 48.
Good. And 22 is paired with what number?
44.
And 23 and what?
41.
And 30 and what?
34.
So the only number in the middle is what?
31.
Good. I'm going to show the paper real quick. Good job, Allison. I put you to work. Okay. So again, you add up to get the sum and divide by the number to get the mean. The mean is 32.1. Remember, you only have to go one place after the decimal for now. There is no mode. There is no number that repeats. Okay. The median, we just did it. You organize. Oh, let me come back. You organize the numbers from least to greatest. There are 4 numbers on the left. There are 4 numbers on the right. So the number smack in the middle is 31. Okay, the range, as she demonstrated, was the highest number or the maximum, which was 48, minus the lowest number, which was the minimum, which was 16. It gives you a total of 32 is the difference. That is what you got.
It's not focusing.
Okay, well, there's nothing more I can do if it's a little blurry. I'm sorry, my camera is clean. I made sure. Okay, this is all I got right now. If there's something you need, let's remember not to call out. And let's remember that at the end of the class, you can reach out on GChat, on Google Chat or GChat. Okay, that's what we're going to do right now. I'm not sending any work during the lesson. I'll send it after if you need help. All right, we're going to move on now. We're going to go now to practice problem 6. So I'm going to have Aiden come off mute.
I don't have the packet.
Okay, go back on mute. Then you can write it down like I made that very clear. It's there in your packet because everyone got it. I had 20 parents call, maybe more. We'll talk at the end of class. Okay, let's call on Brandon. You're the lucky one right now to read. Brandon? Brandon. Okay, let's call on, let's see who's been quiet right now. Ah, I got one right here. Nikel, good morning. Nikel? Can you unmute yourself, dear? Nikel, if you can hear me, unmute yourself. Huh? All right, let's try Sergio. Sergio, you look like you're ready to go. All right, Mr. Sergio, we're on practice problem number 6.
All right.
Can you just read me the directions and the word bank? You need me to show you the page that we're on, Sergio? This is the page. It looks like this. It's a word bank page. You see it? Word bank.
April 24.
Yes.
Yours might be page 7. Okay, mine had a do now. Yours didn't.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why.
Found it.
Okay. Can you read me the practice problem, the directions, and the word bank, please?
Write the correct word on the line to make the sentence true. Use the word bank. Mean, bimodal, range, outliers, median, and mode.
Okay, you're gonna do number 1. Can you read it? And then I'm gonna call on somebody else to do number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go.
The spread of the values in a data set is called.
Let's think about it. When something is spread apart, is it going to be the mean? Does that make sense?
No.
No. Is it going to be bimodal, which is 2 modes?
No.
Is it going to be the range?
The
range is the highest from the lowest, so that's not true. The median, is it going to be the middle number?
No.
Is it going to be the mode, the number that shows up the most?
No.
So it has to be outliers. Number 1, click outliers. Number 1, outliers. You can actually do the next one, and then I'm going to call on someone else to do the next. All right, let's do the next. So Sergio, you're going to read number 2 and do it. We're going to have 2 people do two questions each. Number 2.
When there are 2 modes, the data is called.
2 modes. What word has 2 modes in it?
Bimodal.
Good. Excellent. Number 2, bimodal. All right. Kira Dumas. Unmute yourself. Okay, Kira, you're going to do question 3 and 4. Go, read it.
The number that shows up the most often is called median.
Not median. We did that word yesterday. Starts with an M.
Hold on.
I heard your sister say it.
The mode.
Mode. Number 3 is mode. Number 4, Kira? Number 4?
Oh, that's
Read it. You got to read it. A value.
Says the value much greater or much less than others in a data set is called.
That's another way of saying the middle number.
Median.
Good job. Okay. Kimura, you're going to do number 5 and 6. Now, listen, you're recorded and your behavior is being tracked. Kimura, this is your class grade. If you choose not to do it, that's on you. I'll call in somebody else, and then you'll take the grade of your choice. Kimura, number 5. The blank. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, number 5. The blank.
The mean is another word for the average. We add up all the scores and then divide by the number of scores to find it.
Good. Awesome. 5 is mean. Number 6, Kimura. Thank you for helping her, Kira. Kimura, number 6, sweetie.
Gotta wait.
You're helping her out, Kira. What a good sister.
Thank you.
Kimura, can you read me number 6, please? Let's go.
My page.
Kimura, number 6. This is your last chance. Let's go. The statistical measure.
The statistical measure. The mode is when we find the difference of the greatest maximum number from least maximum number.
Okay, so the actual answer would be, Kira, the highest from the lowest is called what? Help her out.
The mode.
Not the mode, that's the most. The mode is the number that shows up the most. So
Can I
the
help
range. The range.
Range. I said
Okay.
that.
All right, range. All right. So I'm going to recap again. Everyone go back on mute.
Which one
All
was
right.
that?
Hey, there's too many people off right now. No one should be on mute. Everyone should be muted. Everyone should be muted.
You're not muted.
Except me right now, because I'm the moderator. Okay, so number one, the outliers is the spread of data. So if you look at something and something looks awkward, that's called your outlier. Bimodal means two modes. Most is mode. The middle number, number 4, is the median. The mean is another word for average. And the highest from the lowest, or the maximum from the minimum, is the range, okay? Very simple. Okay, we have practice problem 7, 8, 9, and then that's it to do. All right, so we got to kind of move a little bit faster because it is 8:50. So, all right, let's see what's going on. Okay, page 9. Jasmine Lopez, I want to hear from you. You've been very quiet. Let me hear from you now. Miss Lopez, hello. Can you read for us practice problem 7, and you're going to tell us the range, please? Go.
Okay. The highest in inches of 8 tomato plants are 36, 45, 52, 40, 38, 41, 50, and 48. What is the range of the tomato plant highest? So
The height. Go. Tell us what to do.
So basically what we need to do right here is we need to write it from least to greatest, and then pair it up with each number up till we are left with 2 or 1.
Well, hold on. We're going to find the range, though. So how do you find the range? How do you find the range?
That's not how you find the range.
You could write them from least to greatest and then circle the least and the greatest number and subtract. You could do it that way. But we're not going to pair them up. When we pair them up, that's the median. We want to find the range. First, we need to find the range.
But we cross them out.
Okay, so what's the highest number there? Somebody just said it in the chat box.
50.
50. And what's the lowest number?
40.
So
I mean,
50.
38. No, 36.
Right. 50 minus 36, though, Kayeja. Go back and check the math. 50 minus 36 is what?
Just a sec. Doing my calculations.
If you finish this, guys, and you got an answer, move on to the bottom to find the mean, median, mode. It's not 52. Oh, yes, it is 52. You're right. My mistake, guys. 52 is the greatest number. So sorry. Yes, you're right. My mistake. I messed up. It's 52 minus 36. Thanks for catching that, guys. So, yes, you are right, Kayeja. I made a mistake. I didn't see that number when I did my answer key. I didn't see it. Kayeja, I apologize. 52 minus 36 is what? My mistake. Yes, Kayeja is correct. Jasmine, 52 minus 36. Did you get it?
It's 16.
Okay, good. Okay, we're going to have you. Now we're going to have somebody else now come off. We're going to have, let me see who's been kind of quiet for a bit. Let's see. I think this person, Melanie. Hello, Melanie. Come off mute and show your face, please. And you're going to tell us. Where are you? Show your face now.
Still don't have a packet.
Okay, so can you write it down on paper?
Maybe, yeah.
I'm going to email it to you, Mel. All right, again. All right, let's try Yair. Yair?
Yes.
All right. Yair, are you going to be finding the mean, the median, or the mode today on part B? Which one are you going to tell us?
The mean.
Okay. So just before you do that, I just want to show them how to set their paper up because you know me, I like neatness. I made a line. I put mean, median, and mode, and I'm going to show each one in its part. So the mean, the median, and the mode. So divide your paper into thirds. Okay. Only Listen, only Yair's off mute right now, okay? Because I need it silent. I have a student here that needs it to be silent. Okay, Yair, how do we find the mean? Tell us again,
You have to add up all the numbers,
okay?
and then you divide it by the number of scores, I think.
That's correct. So tell us what the sum is. When you added all that up, what was the sum?
Well, I'm doing it right now.
Okay. So work on it right now and tell us what you get. Everyone's working on it. Yes, Kayasia, that's correct. Now divide it, Kayasia. Good job.
Or yeah, 350.
Okay, 350 divided by what number?
And by
Use a calculator, guys. This is 7th grade math now.
8.
By what?
By 8.
Good. So 350 divided by 8. You're going to go 2 places after the decimal because it comes out even after that.
It gives me 2. Can I say the answer?
Yeah.
It gives me 260.
Wait, so 350 divided by 8 gives you 260?
0.75.
Wait, I'm sorry. 350 divided by 8 is 200?
Oh no, I meant 43.75.
Right. Okay. So 350 divided by 8 is 43.75. Okay, yeah, you're going to find the mode. Is there a mode there? That's easy.
Nope.
No mode. Mode is put none. And how do I do the median? How do I organize the numbers again?
Least to greatest.
Good. So 36, 38, 40, 41, 45, 48, 52. When you're ready, tell us what we're pairing up with and what's in the middle, sir.
All right.
Show your face though, bud. Tell us when you're ready. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Yair, 36 is paired with what number?
52.
Good. 38 is paired with what number?
50.
Okay. Oh, so then my median is wrong. Yep. Then 40 is paired with what number?
48.
Okay, and then keep going. You could take it away. You don't need me to do it for you.
Then there's gonna be 2 numbers left, so then you're gonna do 41 plus 45.
Okay. 41 plus 45 is how much?
86.
86. And then I divide that by 2. And what do I get?
You got 43.
Excellent. All right. So there you go. There you have it on page 8. I think that was, Yair, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. Thank you, Yair, for your help today. Appreciate it. All right. So page 8, I'm going to leave you with a challenge, okay? Page 8, you guys are going to try this alone. This is after we get off the phone call. Okay, so page 8, put the word alone. That means you have to try that for practice, okay? Put alone just because of time. And we are going to do, we're going to do page, okay, Angelina, we're going to go to practice problem 9 now. Angelina, we're going to go to practice problem 9. Just give me 1 second, kiddo. This is the problem we're going to read, practice problem 9. Okay, I know your page is 10, I think. Mine's 11 because I have to do now, but it's the same work. Okay, you're going to read us this page.
Okay.
Practice problem 9. Okay, practice problem 9 because we have to wrap it up. It's getting late. And I want you guys, I want to be mindful of your other time, okay? Go ahead.
You and your friend are having a friendly competition about the scores on your math quizzes. Both of your scores for the first 5 quizzes are given below. Your quiz scores 18, 16, 19, 15, and 17. Friends' quiz scores 20, 20, 13, 12, and 17. Find the mean, median, and mode of both sets of data. Show
Okay.
work here.
Angelina, don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you how to set up the paper, and then I'm going to call you to do your scores. And then I'm going to call on Carlos is going to do friends. So Carlos, while you wait, I need you to find the mean, median, mode, and range of your friend. And Angelina, you are going to find for me your score, okay? But you're going to make your paper look like mine. All right? My lovely children. All right. So I put your scores here and I put friends' scores here. You know me, I like T-charts. It keeps my work organized and neat. Okay? So your scores, you're going to find the 4 statistical measures, which are mean, median, mode, and range. And your friends' scores, which is going to be Carlos, is going to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Everyone else is doing it on their own. Okay, I took care of that. All right. So Angelina's going to go first, and then I'm going to call Carlos to tell me friends. Everyone's doing your score. Wait, Angelina, where did you go? Okay. So what do you want to find on your score? What do you want to find first? Do you want to do the mode? It's quick and easy. What do you want to do?
The mode.
Okay, put mode, M-O-D-E, equal. What's the mode? Is there one?
Nothing.
Oh. Hold on, Jazzy. Is there one, Angelina? Somebody helped you out.
No.
So put none, N-O-N-E. Okay, what do you want to do next? You want to do the range? That's quick and easy. You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, put range equal. What's the highest number on your scores?
19.
What's the lowest number?
15.
What's 19 minus 15?
4.
Good. Now, do you want to find the mean or you want to find the median next? Which one do you want to do?
Mean.
Mean. Put M-E-A-N, mean. How do you find the mean again? Refresh our memory. What do we do?
We add all of the numbers and then divide it by 5.
Good. We add them all up and divide by 5. So tell me what the sum, what's the sum for 18 plus 16 plus 19 plus 15 plus 17 equal to?
85.
85 divided by how many scores did you say again?
5.
5. So 85 divided by 5 gives me what?
17.
17. Okay, now tell me the median. How do we find the median? What do I do with the numbers, kiddo?
Oh, we line them up from least to greatest.
Good. So tell me the order. How do we order them? Tell us.
15, 16, 18, 19, no.
17.
17, 18, and 19.
Okay, good job. All right. So now 15 gets paired with what? Where'd you go? Come back here. There you go.
15 goes paired with... Wait, we finished.
Paired with what?
19.
And then what?
And then 16 with 18, and then 17 with...
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to have Carlos come. Carlos, come off mute, please. Carlos, show your face for me. Okay, Carlos, we're going to do your friend, amigo. Okay?
Okay.
Tell me, what do you want to do first? Do you want to do mean, median, mode, or range? Which one do you want to do?
Mode.
Mode? Okay, put mode, right? Escribe, M-O-D-E, mode. What's the mode? Is there a mode? ¿Qué número está?
20.
20, right? 20. Want to do the range next? What do you want to do?
Range.
Put R, right, R-A-N-G-E on your paper, sir. Okay, how do I find the range, Carlos? What do I do?
To subtract 20 by
What's the lowest number? 12, right?
Sí, 12.
20 menos 12 son what?
8.
8. Escribe 8. Ocho. Okay. Now you want to find the mean or the median, Carlos. Which one? We got 2 left. Which one you want to do next?
The median.
Okay, the median. How do we find the median? What do we do with the numbers, Carlos? Write them from what? Least to?
Greatest.
Good. Write them down. 12, 13, 17, 20 y 20. That's the best I get for Spanish. I try. Okay. What number's in the middle?
17.
Good job. Now, median. How do I find the median? ¿Cómo se dice add and then divide?
Tú vas a dividir. Tú vas a sumar y después dividir.
Gracias. Okay. Add them up. 20 plus 20 plus 13 plus 12 plus 14. Thank you, Jasmine.
82.
Good. Divide by 5. Divido 5 son. Come on. 82 divided by 5 is? 16 point what?
2.
Not 2. 2 more. 4.
4.
16.4. All right. Thank you, Carlos. All right. So here's what we got. All right. Now, the question asks you, which person, you or your friend, has the higher mean? Jasmine Lopez.
Yes.
You're off mute. Who has the higher mean? You or your friend?
Me.
You, right? Your mean is 17. Your friend's is 16.4. So you put your quiz score or you. Okay, I just put your because that's what was written there, but yours the same as you. Okay, that's what you should have. All right? Now, okay, this extension page is optional. It's extra challenge. Don't reach out for me because I want you to try this on your own. It's a challenge page. You have to think. This is challenge. So you should work with each other to do it. I'm not going to help you.
You're not helping me.
That one is not teacher-based. That's student do and challenge. Push yourself. Okay, we have to finish up. Last page, the exit ticket. Now,
Wait, can you keep it up there?
Which one? The page we just did? This one? All right. Everyone go to the exit ticket if you're done. Listen up. As I show this page, I want to make an announcement about it. Some of you are not looking at your packets to use the exit ticket that's on Google Classroom. The exit tickets in the packet is the same one on Google Classroom. So if you write it correctly on the paper, then you should get 100 on Google Classroom. I just saw somebody got a 0 out of 100, and I'm confused because we went over the exact question yesterday in our packets. I'm very upset if I see 0s out of 100 from the people that are on my live classes. There's no need for that. Go back to your packet and put it on and look at the Google Classroom and make sure your packet matches Google Classroom and you're good. All right, we're going to go. There are 4 questions. This is very simple. You don't really need a calculator for the basic math on this one. All right, so let's call on Blessing. I need everyone silent. Very silent. No pin drop. Nothing. So we can hear her. Blessing, are you going to read? Blessing? All right. Blessing, I want you to read me number 1 on the exit ticket. What does it say to do?
Okay. It says how many words are in the following sheets?
Read the numbers.
15, 12, 13, 15, 12, 11.
So which number shows up more than one time, Blessing?
15.
No. There's 2 answers, 15 and what? What other one?
12.
Yes, 15 and 12. Number 1, you write 15 and 12. Number 2, I'm going to call on somebody else for time. Jazzy, read me number 2, please.
What is the range in the following set? 90, 80, 100, 113, or 67?
How do I find the range, Jazzy? From what?
Least to greatest.
Okay.
I mean, no, you have to subtract the greatest number from the
Right.
lowest.
Good. Good. So what is it?
So you do 113 minus 67.
So write that down. 113 minus 67 equals.
Can I say
Come
it?
on. That's easy. Wait, no, let Jazzy do it.
And that's 46.
46. Okay, Jasmine Lopez now, the other one.
Mhm.
Determine or calculate the mean. How do I find the mean, Jasmine Lopez?
You calculate 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9, and it equals 20. Divided by 5 is 4.
Good job. Number 3, the answer is 20 divided by 5 equal 4. And last but not least, let's call on Chris Danielise. Turn your camera around, sweetie.
Wait.
Turn.
All right. Which?
The number
problem?
4, the last one. Number 4 on the exit ticket.
Okay. What is data called when there are two modes? Circle one, bimodal or trimodal. So at first I'll underline 2 modes and not 3 because 1 means 2 and 1 means 3. So bi means 2, so I chose bimodal.
Perfect. This is the answers that we said. So the answer for number 1, you should have had 15 and 12. Number 2, the answer was 46 because Jasmine said 113 minus 67 is 46. Jasmine Lopez just said you add this up, you get 20 divided by 5, you get 4. And Chris Danielise just said bimodal means 2 modes. Okay? Okay, that's the answers. Okay, so we are going to stop the recording now. I have someone else that's